Pocket circuit. What is electricity? Electricity powers your phone, your fan, your entire home. But here's the real question. Do you actually know what electricity really is? Welcome to Pocket Circuit. Build the basics. Power the future. Electricity isn't magic. It isn't complicated. And it's not just something from your physics textbook. It's actually simple. Once you understand the basics, and today we start from zero. So, what is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electric charge. Now, what is electric charge? Inside every atom there are tiny particles. Some of them are called electrons. Electrons carry negative electric charge. In metal wires, when these electrons start moving in one direction, that movement creates electricity. So, in simple terms, electricity is the flow of electrons through a conductor. But scientifically speaking, electricity is the flow of electric charge. In wires, that charge is carried by electrons. Let's make this very simple. Imagine a water tank connected to a pipe. When water flows through the pipe, it can spin a small wheel. If the water doesn't move, nothing happens. Water flows because pressure pushes it forward. Electricity works the same way. Instead of water, too, we have electrons. Instead of a pipe, we have a wire. Instead of a wheel, we have a bulb. When electrons move through the wire, energy is delivered. Here's the connection: water pressure to voltage. Amount of water flowing to current, narrow pipe, slowing the flow, resistance. Electricity isn't mysterious, it's controlled movement. But electrons don't move by themselves. They need a push. That push is called voltage. Voltage is the electrical pressure that pushes electric charge through a circuit. Just like water needs pressure to flow, electrons need voltage to move. So, where does voltage come from? It comes from a source, like a battery. Inside a battery, chemical energy creates a difference in charge between its two terminals. That difference creates electrical pressure, and that pressure pushes electrons through the wire. You can think of voltage as the strength of the push. Higher voltage implies stronger push. Lower voltage implies weaker push. No voltage, no movement. No movement, no electricity. When moving electrons pass through a device, they transfer energy. In a bulb implies light. In a fan implies motion. In a heater implies heat. Electricity is simply energy in motion. Let's revise. Electricity equals flow of electric charge. In wires equals flow of electrons. Voltage equals electrical pressure. Current equals rate of charge, flow. Resistance equals opposition to flow. If you understand movement, electronics becomes simple. In the next video, we'll deeply understand voltage, current, and resistance with practical examples. If you want to truly master electronics from the ground up, subscribe to Pocket Circuit. Build the basics. Power the future. I'll see you in the next one.